All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm not the evil twin. Ooh, Larry's back. Joshua, good morning. You just don't know if that's Larry or it's really Coach Hugo. Larry's not even wearing his Hawaiian shirt. He's such a rebel.
I'm not the evil twin.
Oh, hey,
Oh, hey, look at that.
got it on. Love
Nice.
it.
Nice.
Love it.
Still waiting on my Liberty Trading Club / Georgia wine shirt.
Hawaiian shirt. Georgia Hawaiian shirt on Amazon's pretty nice.
Yeah, like they got a bunch of them on.
I like it. That's what I'm wearing right now. The red one. Looks like hibiscus flower. Some kind of flower. Seaweed. I don't know. It's floral with
I don't know. It's floral.
the dog. It's floral.
It's floral.
It's floral. All right, guys. You guys got the plan, right? Let's do the plan real quick before the open. You guys know it. If we stay below the zone that we're in right now, YM and ES, if it goes down, you might want to look at some selling opportunities. If that happens, you guys on the trend side are going to have to tell yourselves the same thing as yesterday. Might get a few opportunities. Look to trade from the zones. All right. You guys got it? If price stays up, you're just buying pullbacks. It's not a complicated plan today. All right. Most likely going to see, looks like the YM setting up for a little push down on the open. So if you guys want to have a sell stop in, again, I like, let's see, YM. I like anything below this swing here. Yes. Same for the yes. I like anything below this little swing. So if you wanted to get in a little short before the open, you could probably look at that, but I'd just wait. I mean, let it swing first, then take the next trade. That's what we preach. That's what you can do. The only thing you could do is, are we open for business?
We're about to. 9 seconds. T minus 5.
That's it. Really easy plan today, guys. So newer traders, wait 6 minutes. You guys know that already. Those of you on trial, please understand we are patient traders. We're looking for very specific things. Watch the videos. You'll see that. A whole lot of nothing. Little W maybe forming on the ES. Little W action on the ES maybe. If you want to take a look at that, guys. Slow open, so there you go. Long ES. Targets off if you did it. YM, you could be long now too. Now targets off on the YM if you press the button when I said so. All right. Looks like on the YM, we're buying pullbacks, guys. Targets off, both all around the board. Those with permission to trade the open, are you catching a piece of this? Good job, Green Jeans. AA, good job. Got to take what the market gives you today, guys. probably not going to see a ton of action going into a holiday weekend. Take it, get your targets off, pull your stop up to a no lose, and see if it keeps riding up. One good sign is first touch rules are working, guys. So that's typically happens with trend type of days. So that's a good sign that we might see a little trend on the upside, but who knows? ES still can't break through the zone it's in, through the like tight range it's in. So still say on the ES guys, you can do the same thing on the YM too. You know, these play the stochastic as long as it's in a range. Play the stochastic game, right? Take these hooks and stochastics, hook up, hook down, stochastics, take those. Same on the YM guys. You can do the same thing. We'll hook up a stochastics, first touch rule. You do the same thing on the short side as well. Take what the market gives you. Targets off on the first touch rule. Buy signal on the ES. All right. Hey, again, everybody got another chance at it. Who is getting a little piece of it, ES or YM? Everybody got a second chance at that now. Guys getting it again. Good job. Now, YM. Targets off. Let's try to stay in this one, I think, on the YM now. Same with the ES. ES should break that range here soon now. So you might want to look at being long on the ES too, as well. 2-2. All right, stops up. I think YM, just looking back, maybe a couple more ticks you could look at. Keep it below that prior swing. So 97. Looks like 997 on the YM's a good stop now. ES, good stop. Probably 44 at least. Got to take what the market gives you today, guys. And some days, there's days. I almost said there'd be days like this. Probably flat on the ES again. So anybody doing the hooks and stochastics? Just keeps bouncing off the top of that range. Yeah, hooks and stochastics, guys. That's the name of the game today. These hook down stochastics. Hooks up. Now we're getting the sell signals. All right. So the ES is leading the way then. Below the swing. Remember, guys. Below the swing. Makes a decent little sell signal.
Alexis,
What?
there's our 6 minutes.
6 minutes are up. All
6 minutes are
right.
up. You're free to trade.
Got below the swing on the YM there. So let's kind of throw that in. So hook up from the zone. I don't, guys, don't do the long right now. Wait a second. Wait, don't get it long. Don't do it. You're either on the short side right now. Or you're being patient. Be patient. Anybody on the short side right now? From the hook down and stochastics, both YM, ES.
Yeah,
Yep.
I caught it.
Did say it earlier.
I caught it.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Nice.
I took it. Yeah,
It's
46. And
nice. You're short, guys. I told you below those swings. You want to be short.
that's it. Day done.
Hey, Jeans, Trader K, nice job. Lulu, nice job. How many times I say it this morning? Below that swing, you'd want to
Wow.
be short. Did I say that enough times this morning, guys? Put the line in, everything. Still kind of, you got the buy signal on the YM, guys, but I don't take it. If you take it, get your targets off. ES, I wouldn't do anything in the ES unless you get a W at this point. There's a replay of yesterday, coming at you live and in action. If you get a little W here on the YM, a wonky one, you could take that for a long signal, but I'm just wary of the longs right now. Replay of yesterday, right? If you do the long on the YM, get those targets off quick. I don't like it. I'm telling you right now, I don't like it. So if you do it, you're in. So if you did the long on the YM, you're probably in somewhere around this area. But I don't like it. So more apt to say just had to have perfect timing. You had to grab that 16 tick rule perfectly. So you could do the long with a W. So if you do it, your target should be off now. Again, like I said, I'm not, doesn't look like I want to be a fan of it, but you can take a shot at it and you're going to get a few shots. So you can take a shot at the long trade. ES coming into the zone and well, 9 tick rule long signal. Look down at stochastics. You might want to take that short. Watch the pivot for the YM. Mind the pivot. ES. If you do it, get your targets off pretty quick. Targets off now on the short side, guys. It's sorry, it's counter trend, but
God.
just
Oh,
how many people
cool.
are still short from the sell stop? How many people are still short from the sell stop? All right, Monica.
I'm still short from above.
Nice.
I was trading the
You guys
range.
still short? If you're trading YM, I would be patient right now. ES is a little bit more. You got a little bit of an M on the YM now. I would be
don't think the
comfortable with you guys
CS is
taking a
done either.
yeah. M short on the Y.
leery. Sorry.
M
go
short
ahead.
on the YM. No, I'm just trying to get people on a good trade on the YM. M short.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Those on the your stop is basically where you would have had the entry now on the ES.
ES making a run for the pivot. Come on.
Yeah, YM's broke it. So definitely targets off on the short side on the YM. Okay. All right, guys. Stop to no lose on the YM. So you're probably no lose situation on the YM is like maybe 9, 15. Let's see, what's this wick at? So probably like 9 to 18 will keep you free and clear on the stop. And YM makes a new low. You can move it down to this little swing here. Oop, let me switch to that screen. So again, if the YM makes a new little low here, stop's going down to 911. So just be aware of that. ES, you guys are just staying short on the ES, right? Just staying short on the ES. There's nothing you can do. No long trades right now. Okay. And we thought we might see a replay of yesterday, and looks like you're getting it. So you could probably, if you want to be a little tighter on the ES stop, I just don't know if it's got maybe 31. That should lock in a runner for some people, actually. Should have gotten filled around 41, so 31 is going to give you a runner. Somewhere in this area, you should have gotten filled. We're on the hook down at stochastics. What do you got? How many points you got locked in right now, Paul? At least 10?
Oh no, I got in at the top. I got in at 45.75.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm done for the day.
One and done, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, when the day I was trading the top of that range when it failed. So
look at being flat on the YM. Squeeze your stop now on the YM. Squeeze your stop or be flat. Now you got the long trade, guys. That's it. So one chance on the long side. So trend traders got a little W on the YM. See the W. Trend traders, there's your chance on the YM. Yes, got a little, and you can trade this like a W. This little consolidation. 511. Good fill, Monica. 11's pretty good there. So at least put your stop at like 20 on the long side. There you go. Now you got the long single on the IM and ES. Who's catching a piece of the long side now?
Yeah. Should have reversed.
Win the day. Nice. Good job, guys.
That set up perfectly for you. Win the day.
Nice little setup. YM did the exact same thing it did yesterday, right, guys? Little tap, double tap, nice little long signal. Now you can use on the YM, you could probably go a couple more ticks up. I would say even to like 30, let's call it like 31, maybe even think about 32 or being flat. First touch roll on the ES. These hooks and stochastics are paying today, guys. That's the name of the game. Hooks and stochastics are paying. Got you a little tight on the YM. Sorry about that, guys. A little congestion here in the zone. Probably going to end up with decent sell signal if it's following the ES. So you can look for counter trend M. Be flat on your long trades, obviously. On the YM, you can be looking at a little counter trend M maybe. Or you're just going to be patient, let it pull back some. ES, trying to make a little double bottom here. Anybody do the first touch roll in the ES? Anyone? Bueller, win today. Good job. Price action's. Here's the thing about it, guys, is yesterday was a hard day for trend traders, but price action was easy to trade, right? Good job, Green Jeans. A lot of people get green, get going Friday. I don't care how you do it. Everybody's had a chance at this point. If you're a trend trader, you've got your chance on the long side. You want to think about being done. Get green, get going Friday. Get green, get going. Go into the weekend. Don't keep chasing trades. If you're green right now, think about stopping. Right? Guys, Monica, maybe that was your only trade. And that's a good one. That was a good trade. You're done. maybe think about it, guys. You got one trade. It's green. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's all you did this morning. It's that one buy opportunity. You had a couple of them on the YM. The second one I like better because you got that little double tap. Might get one more chance on the long side. It doesn't. Markets just aren't saying they want to do it. It's almost identical replay of yesterday. ICE AA. Get done for the day, guys. Start thinking about it. You might see a little W forming on the ES here. I'm not. I mean, it is kind of bottoming out. I still think it's got more room to go down, guys. A little replay of yesterday. That's all there is to it. A little bit easier price action on the ES from yesterday. YM almost identical. Price action, easy swings to trade off of. Yeah, get short, stay short now, guys, on the ES. On the ES, you can be short for a little bit. It looks like the YM might follow suit here in just a second. So is there anybody that's still short from the earlier trade on the ES? You re-enter on the first touch rule. Stay in. Are you still in, Paul?
No, I got taken out. I had my stop at the 89. It took me. I should have just got back in, but
poor guy with a whole
14, not complaining.
whole 15 points on the ES.
Everybody should feel sorry for me.
Hey, we got runners. Who else got a runner in?
I don't count, but I want the song. So somebody else better have it.
Never gonna do it. Somebody got the runner in. Nice, Lulu.
There we go.
Yeah.
Way to go, Lulu.
Yeah, baby. Love it. Anybody get a runner on the YM? You had a chance at it, I think. Let's see, what was it? 3-2, depending on. No, you'd have to nail it like right on the head there. You did have a chance at a runner though. Short around, everybody. You are short. And 22. After this, what?
That 22 level that we've had for a while on the ES.
Below 22? Below 22? Yeah. Want to be short, above 20. And it's right at the pivot too.
It's what it says on my chart. Long above, short below.
There you go. Pivot bounce. I would probably flat on the YM if you're not. The YM's a little choppy. It's just not giving you the swings you want to see now. So you might want to just pause it a little bit on the YM, guys. Just stay short on the ES for the time being. You pull your stop down. Probably to like 2750, or you think about being flat now on the ES. 2750 I like. A little crappy on the YM right now. I mean, if you're doing it, you're taking the sell signals on YM. I would wait if you're going to trade with the trend. Wait for the zones. We'll trade on the ES from the zone, guys. So you trend traders, people stuck with the trend, it's still up. Use the zones. And both of your opportunities on the ES came from zones, right? So make that same thought process on the YM. If you want to be long with the trend, do it from a zone, or at least through a zone, one or the other. All right. Anybody still? You guys should really be thinking about being flat. Anybody still in? Anybody still in? I mean, you can be, because you probably still got a little bit of room on the ES to go down. If it breaks the pivot, if it pushes for the pivot, this is why I'm leaving this line here, because this is where you'd probably want to be either your stop on the short side or your buy stop on the long side. I'm just going to be wary of, if you do this long on the ES guys. It's good pointing it out. Little double bottom put in. If you do the long, get your targets off quick. Nice job, Rick. Good job. All right. So Rick's long. Just get your target, make sure target's off, and your stop probably at 24.75. Maybe 25 or flat, because I don't think you're going to get a big time runner on the long side. You got an M forming on the ES. Good job, Rick. Way to go. This is typical on the ES too, guys. If double bottom, I like that. I don't like that it did the pivot, but you'll see a little move up, get you in the trade, come back, try to take the stop out. King. I'm done. I got green. If you got green, you're done. Start thinking that, guys. Get green, get gone Fridays. Now we're going to do a little party time music. Good job on the runners, ladies and gentlemen.
La cucaracha, cucaracha, ya no puede caminar porque no tiene, le falta las dos patitas de atrás. Cha, 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 cha.
Ya no puede caminar.
Good job. Now let's just slow it down a little bit, take a look around, make sure that we have our bearings about us. So you are definitely on the short side. Anybody on the short side with this? Little M on the YM, little M on the ES. Good job, green jeans. Push through the pivot on the good job, starter. Guys, get green and get going. I'm telling you, once you get green, don't keep don't take every trade I call out, guys. I'm telling you, don't do it. Very few people can take every single trade that I call out. You think about being flat on the short side, or at least squeeze your stop down. This is getting a little volatile, guys. Might want to think about slowing down a little bit. Get green. Once you get green, get done. I'm telling you right now, please follow the instructions. Another pivot bounce on the ES. You should obviously be flat on the short side. And another little YM. And that happened really fast, guys. So if you didn't get a good fill price, you're not in.
These landscapers are killing me today. I got a meeting.
That's what I love. Get done for the day, guys. I'm going to slow down trade calls now. I'm literally going to slow them down because I think you guys either should be done or close to it. And we're going to give Mr. Sabri, Michael, his gong. Love it. Good job. Good job, Sabri. Yes, sir. Sir, have a great long weekend, everybody. Don't forget, no school Monday. We're not going to be here Monday. So if you want to trade, you're scalping, we'll probably be watching paint dry.
Yeah.
Probably. I don't think I think it's silly to trade on holidays.
I agree.
All right. This is a point in the day on Friday where if you need help, guys, not that you want.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, visit libertytradingclub.com. During your 3-day trial with us, you'll have access to the live trade calls, participation in chat, and you have questions answered by our coaches, as well as all of our indicators, training modules, and classes. Please like, subscribe, and share.